Hello everyone, my name is Celine and today I want to explain to you all about organizing paragraph. Organized paragraph is needed to ensure your readers to stay focused on your thesis statement. To organize paragraph, of course you should know what a paragraph is. A paragraph is a group of sentences which deal with a single topic. The example of topic can be education topic, social media topic, and others. Okay, I think you all already know what a paragraph is. So, let's answer this question. In this essay, how many paragraphs are there? A. 4 paragraphs. B. 3 paragraphs. C. 2 paragraphs. And D. 5 paragraphs. And the correct answer is B. 3 paragraphs. Next, to make a paragraph, you should also know the normal length of the paragraph. What is the normal length of a paragraph? The length of paragraph should be no less than 4 or 5 sentences. Now we are on the most important way to organize paragraph. It is the structure of the paragraph. Is there a standard structure for paragraphs? Normally, but not always, the first sentence of a paragraph introduces the topic. Then, the other sentence may give definitions, examples, informations, reasons, restatements, and also summaries. Let's take a look at this paragraph. This topic of the paragraph is should home ownership be encouraged? There are 5 sentences in this paragraph. The first sentence is topic sentence, the second sentence is example 1, the third sentence is example 2, the fourth sentence is reason, and the last sentence is summary. Normally, topic sentence is a sentence that we want to discuss. Then, example and also reason is to give more explanation about our sentences. And for summary, it is the conclusion for the whole paragraph. Let's practice. Analyze the paragraph by completing the left-hand column in the table below with the following types of structure. Supporting point 1, supporting point 2, supporting point 3, example, main reason, and also topic. You can pause this video if you want more time. Now, let's guess and fill the blank. So, this is the correct structure for this paragraph. The first sentence is topic. It is the writer want to discuss about. Then the second sentence is example. Ireland and Spain is the example for the many countries in first sentences. Then third sentence is the main reason for the topic sentence. And for the other 3 sentences is supporting point 1, supporting point 2, and supporting point 3 is to explain more detail about the main reason. Last but not least, I want to discuss how is a paragraph linked together. In order to maintain continuity of argument, each new paragraph begins with a phrase that links it to the previous paragraph. For example, in order to begin a new topic, you may use turning to the issue of blah 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 blah. You can continue it by the issue of global warming, corruption, or others. Then, paragraph can also be introduced with adverbs. For example, traditionally, few examples were blah 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 blah. I can give you examples of when you want to discuss fast food, the examples are burger, pizza, and others. So that's all my explanation for organizing paragraph. I hope you all can understand it. Thank you.